Today we're going to talk about nature. The words that we're going to describe is community population. There's more than 10 million people in Vietnam, so there's lots of trash nearby the trees. And if they throw the trash near the trees, that will ruin the ecosystem and lots of other stuff.
An ecosystem is a group of things or creatures living in the nature, and the population is like the group of people or animals or creatures or bugs.
This is a group of living things together, and this is a red ant. This is a community of ants.
Population and ecosystem.